This is negative x plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 2x. To cancel out the negative x, we have to have a positive. It has to be equal on both sides. To cancel out these 5, we have to have a negative. Since I removed 5 from this side, I have to then remove 5 from the other side to keep it balanced. Okay. So right now we would have 0 is equal to 3 plus x. So we're going to have to move some of these around. So if we want to take these here, from this side they were positive, but we're having to take them away. So when we take them away from this side, we also have to take away 3 from the other side. So now we have negative 3 is equal to 3x, and then you match it up. So each x should be negative 1.